Hi, my name is Joarles Palencia. Activity 2. My best friends, you live in Mercado Severiche. 33-year professional teacher and nationality Colombiana. She is Yulevi Mercado Severiche, my best friend, my teacher. She is very intelligent, pretty, and enterprising. He loves his profession and teaches with a lot of love. She has a family of 4, her husband and 2 children. She is cousin. She is mother. She is grandfather. He is brother. He is Jose Alejandro. He is Luis Jose. She is green woman who struggles every day to get her family forward. As a child, she did not like to ride at visit because she was afraid of falling. He loved going out with his family and watching movies as well as going to his grandfather's farm to visit them and spend time with them. She is my friend, a happy, grateful woman, and very funny. She is Yulevis Mercado Severiche, my friends. Thank you.